Today we're going to run off of a generator and two generator power supplies. These take the place of the main and the boost, and they have the same plug. These are the older style. Our current issue of these SuperSting AC power supplies have only one plug, so it simplifies. This is the boost, so I'm going to make sure to plug into the boost port. And then this is the main. And there's a large tab there that you can align with the tab on there. That, and then this goes to the main plug. And then just connect this this lead here for the boost. And then our generator needs the AC connections. So now we're ready to turn the whole system on. One note of caution, this is a 900 watt Honda generator. It's a highly recommended brand. We don't supply these. They're available. This particular one, last time I checked, was between $700 to $900. This grounding port you don't want to have installed into earth. That's an option. It will cause a ground loop because this system is actually referencing to a floating ground, and that would no longer be a floating ground. So watch out for that. It's very rarely done, but it could be an issue. This particular generator has been used heavily. You see how the RPM goes up there? If you're not sure of the health of the generator, I would turn eco mode off, and in that case it will supply constant RPM at all times. Then I'm going to turn the SuperSting on.